NCERT syllabus. I already told in my previous video about point, line segment, intersecting lines, parallel lines and rays. So in this video, this is second part and I'm going to say about curves and polygons. So first topic is curves. So what is curves? A curve is defined as a smoothly flowing continuous line that has a bend. It is like a doodling. Doodling is a simple diagrams. The children can draw like this curves. So this is the curves and straight lines also it comes under the curves. A straight line can also include under the curve. Okay, now we'll look at the types of the curves. First one is a closed curve. So closed curve is a curve has no endpoints. It doesn't have the endpoints. It encloses together. If 2 points can be close together, so it is not open. So just look at the examples. So here some of the pictures I shown here. Just see it. So triangle is also comes under the curves. It is a closed curve and circle closed curve. So next type is a open curve. Open curve is so the shape which is not closed by a line segment or a curve. So it should not be closed. It is like this. It is like open shape. Okay. So these are the pictures under the open curves. So next type is a simple curve. Simple curve means the shapes which do not intersect. It should not be like a cross. The shapes that does not intersect itself. So that is a simple curve. So if you look at this, so this is a open curve, open simple curve, and this one is a closed curve, closed simple curve. So some of the few examples I given here, just look at this circle. So this is closed simple curve. This also closed simple curve. This shape is open simple curve. And look at this. So it intersected, both the lines are intersected here. So this is not a simple curve. This is not a simple curve, but it is a closed curve. Okay. So simple curves means that should not be intersect. It should not be like a cross. And open curve, it's like a open shape, and the closed curve means it should be closed. So we'll move on to the next topic, polygons. So polygons is nothing but a plane shapes. Plane shapes means two-dimensional shape. So having a straight line segments which can form a polygons. A polygon does not have any curved surface. So if you take a polygon, you should not be a curved surface is not come under the polygon. So all the sides can like a line segments. Line segments only can form a polygons. And a polygon should have at least three sides. So the starting polygons is a triangle. So you just look at the table here. So the first one is a triangle. So triangle is a polygon which have a three sides, or you can say as a three line segment. And the four sides or four line segment you can say as a square, rectangle, quadrilaterals. Five sides are there means pentagon. Six means hexagon. So these are all polygons. So polygons are made up of a line segment, straight line segments. The curves is not come under the polygon. Okay. Now you just look at the picture. So this is a pentagon. So with the five sides are there. So this is the pentagon. Now we'll say the sides, vertices, diagonals, adjacent sides, adjacent vertices and all. So from this picture, the sides are AB. You can say this is one of the line segment AB, and the next side BC. So totally five sides are there, right? So AB, BC, CD, DE and EE. So these are the sides of the polygon. And if you take the vertices, the points we mentioned here. So A, B, C, D, E. So these are the vertices for this picture of this polygon. And what about the diagonals? Diagonals means you have to draw the pair of vertices that should not be adjacent side. It should not be touch the next point. Without touching the next point, you have to draw the diagonals. If you take A, you can draw either C, from A to C or A to D. So if you take a B, you should not touch C. So B to D and B to E. So these are the diagonals. It should not touch the adjacent vertex. Okay, and then adjacent sides, if you take AB, the next side is called as a adjacent side. If you take AB, what is the next side here? BC. So BC is a adjacent for AB. Otherwise you can say this side BA, the adjacent side for BA is AE. So these are the adjacent sides. And then if you take a point A, what is the adjacent vertex for this? The next side, the next point, the next vertex B. So B is a adjacent vertex for point A. So hope this video can be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.